Erube, the corporate on the LCDA, and by his grace, I'm the Chairman, Chief Executive of Chukwudi Group of Companies. I want to thank the Crown Association for all the good work they've been doing in this country, reporting crime the way it is and saying it as the way it should be. Though oftentimes I've accused them that I don't see them reporting what is happening in my own dear state. I happen to come from Imo State. I can assure you that for the past 6 years or 5 years, my local government, which is also local government, I know that members of the security forces here knew what is happening there, but was never reported in the national media. And people like us, few of us, businessmen from that community, we surrendered our life, formed an organization called Odimosu, partnered with the governor of Imo State, the DSS, and every other police, every other security, to tackle those IPOB and the ESN. They pursued us. We went on self-exile. More than 5,000 lives was lost. Properties worth billions of naira destroyed. But I thank God today that my people are coming back home gradually, and we give God the glory. So, I want to thank this organization. I don't have much to say, but I pray that the good Lord will continue to guide you, more oil into your biros and pens, and that you will be able to report and to help our security forces, just like the guest speaker have said. I am somebody who grew up in abroad, and I know how these things work. This is something I know we can do in this country, if actually we want to stop whatever rubbish that is happening. There was one late head of state that said, any terrorism that endured or lasted for 48 hours, the government knows about it. But our people should be also be educated and given the proper orientation on how to support the Nigerian police force and other security agencies to combat crime. Many years ago, I visited London. I have a friend, a white guy. The moment from the airport to his house, not up to 3 minutes, the police landed there. Because somebody living very close have already told the police that the black man entered the white man's house. So it goes to show you how efficient they are in reporting these things. So, but in Nigeria here, you will see somebody breaking somebody into someone's house, you will keep quiet. And when you ask him, he will tell you that, where I want to go report. If I go report to police now, they go turn me into this. So these are the things we need to discourage and encourage the people. Our people, we need training, we need orientation. Because we don't see things, we don't say something. It's supposed to be when you see something, you do what? You say something. And I hope that we're going to get our bearings right in this nation, because Nigeria is a blessed country. It's a blessed country. If you go outside here to the Western world from 35 years ago, and you say that you're a Nigerian, the kind of respect you will be accorded, I experienced it. I started traveling out of this country as early as 1986. And I'm proud to be a Nigerian. Nobody messes up with me with my green passport. But suddenly these days you go there, you're a Nigerian, somebody's trying to treat you somehow. I think that it's time for us to reclaim our pride. Our pride as a nation, our pride in Africa, and our pride in the whole world. Thank you, and may God bless everyone.
A round of applause for Eze. A better one, please. He has shared his experience, how security works elsewhere. So we have to do something, we have to replicate.